Hey guys, sobrang bongga talaga ni Nadine Lustre. Konting eksena, bongga ang resulta. Ganyan nga lagi ang nangyayari. Every time ma-appear si Nadine sa social media, every time may ipopost siya na picture niya, kabog kung kabog kung kabog. Katulad nga ngayon, di ba? Actually, matagal na to. Nakita ko na to last 2 weeks ago sa Instagram account ng isang sikat na photographer na I'm sure na kaibigan din nila Nadine. Anyway, ang perfect nga daw ni Nadine Lustre bilang si Josie Rizal. At sino si Josie Rizal? Well, para sa mga millennial at para sa mga may hilig maglaro ng online whatever, hindi ko talaga alam i-describe. But then, para sa mga may hilig sa mga games sa online, ayan, kilala nila si Josie Rizal. At of course, alam naman natin kung kanino hinango yung pangalang Josie Rizal, diba? But anyways, sino nga ba si Josie Rizal? Ito, for the benefit of parang sa mga kasing age ko na or older than me na hindi masyadong alam kung sino si Josie Rizal, na peg nga ngayon ni Nadine Lustre at kitang-kita at makikita sa kanya mga social media accounts at talagang pinapalakpakan siya sa bago na naman niyang look. But anyway, si Josie Rizal, as in Josie Rizaru, is a character in the Tekken series who is introduced in Tekken 7 as one of the new playable characters. She was first seen as one of the 4 fighters, the other 3 being Jin Kazama, Devil Jin, and the large red behemoth fighter named Gigas, whose in-game character models were leaked online in March 2015. She later became playable in the arcade's time release on April 21. O, tignan mo 2015 pa pala na ginawa yung character na ito, si Josie Rizal. Pero ngayon lang namin nakilala, especially ako. And it's all because of Nadine Lustre. Kung di pa nag-peg si Nadine dyan, hindi ko makikilala si Josie, my God. Hindi na nga kasi ako millennial. But anyway, ang description nga raw sa personality ni Josie Rizal ay, Josie has been described to be bright, cheerful, and quite energetic, but she has become more prone to crying because of something that happened in the past. It later reveals in her backstory that she was a big crybaby at the young age and is unable to ease it. During her training course and confrontation against Kuma, Josie was revealed to be afraid of bears and makes her flee in tears when it was encountered, as well as being interrogated by it, which caused her to faint. But anyways, ang issue nga rito, ang bongga talaga ni Nadine, di ba? Aaminin ko again and again and again, hindi ko po kilala si Josie Rizal. Wala akong idea kung ano man yung Tekken. Hindi na po yan ang naabutan ko. Baka magulat kayo, Pac-Man pa yata ang nilalaro ko. But anyways, may idea ako sa mga ML, pero hindi ko na po yan nilalaro. But anyways, because of Nadine, nagpapasalamat ako kay Nadine. At least, nakilala ko to yung character na Josie Rizal. No, obviously, hangos ang pangalan sa pambansang bayani natin na si Jose Rizal. At sabi nga, perfect na perfect yung look ni Nadine para sa ganyan. Isa siyang Pilipina, Pinay na Pinay ang beauty. Pero nakita nyo naman. So, bongga ka talaga, Nadine. Saludo ako sa'yo. Okay, thank you.